Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can tell, I'm in a different space right now and we are literally in my own home, and I literally can't believe I'm saying that. I'm in my own home. I have a house. Oh my god. I am over the moon. I can't believe it. The day is finally here. I'm just like, I feel like a completely different person. Like, I actually feel happy again. Like, I was aware of how depressed I was over the past couple of years, but when I say 360 personality change, I literally mean it. Oh my goodness. You know what? The past 2 years have been, I would say, the most difficult of my life. The only good thing really in my life was Akil. The journey to get this house, oh my god, it's been so long, and it just should have this is the silver lining in life that I definitely needed, like definitely. Right, so I'm going to be testing some new Kylie Cosmetics makeup that I have, and honestly we're just going to sit down, have a chit chat and try some new makeup. Also, this is the last time you're going to see me with this hair. It's going to have a drastic change soon. There's going to be a drastic cut at some point, so stay tuned for that. I'm like, new life, new hair. I feel like it slots in. It's that emoji, you know, the one where they're like holding hands. It's that emoji. Right, so obviously it's not on my face. I'm gonna get rid of all my eye makeup and my lip makeup, and we're gonna try some products. So I have two Kylie Cosmetics products that I want to use. So I've got a lip kit, and this is in the shade Valentine. It's like a hot pink, like it's not messing around, that kind of hot pink. And then I have the mauve palette, and if you've been interested in these palettes, I've done a video on the bronze palette. So yeah, I've got the mauve palette. Yeah, we're just gonna play around with some makeup. We are going into this lip kit. So I've tried the Kylie Lip Kit, the new reformulated one. Tried it in the shade Kylie. Shade, beautiful. Formulation, I don't know, it's not for me. I find her lip liners a little bit sticky, and why is a lip liner sticky? I understand that it's supposed to last all day. I mean, I've never tried it. I guess I could do a wear test. But I don't know, it's just a sticky lip liner. It feels weird. Right, so I've got the hot pink. Okay, wait, I'm not even showing you, and I'm just going in. What kind of a YouTuber am I? So this is the liquid lipstick. Look at how hot pink, neon pink this is. And then I've got a matching lip liner. I think they're pretty much the same shade. Let's just go in. Okay, so these lips are lined. This one isn't as sticky, to be fair. I don't know what it was. Maybe the liquid, I don't know. This lip liner was not sticky at all, but I remember the other one being sticky. But this one feels quite nice. It's virtually undetectable on the lips. Like, I literally cannot feel it at all, and it's matte. I quite like this lip liner. All right, so let's go into this liquid lipstick. And again, this is in the shade Valentine. This one has a scent. This one kind of marginally smells like the old Kylie ones. Oh my god, what? It literally has that cupcakey scent. Oh my god, that was my favorite thing. I'm so confused. Why don't they do the scent in the new ones? Like, that was one of my favorite things about the Kylie lipsticks. This one smells good. Oh my god, is this the old formulation or something? That is such a super thin consistency. It's drying down slowly. It's actually almost dry now. So lightweight, not sticky. This lip kit is so different to the Kylie lip kit that I used before, like literally in the shade Kylie. This one's amazing. I actually really like this. I would wear this, and I really like the color too. It's so bright, and I rarely opt for colors like this, but when I wear them, I'm like, why don't I wear them more often? They're so nice. This is like a neon pink, like neon. Yes, oh my god. Okay guys, if you guys love a hot pink and you can get your hands on this shade, which is Valentine, I would actually recommend it because the formulation of this is really good. And I don't understand why this one is so different to the Kylie one that I tried. Maybe the formulation differs per shade. Like, so far that's been my experience. Maybe I should get one more shade just to kind of really test it. But my experience of this shade and then the shade Kylie, completely different. Like, worlds apart different. I've literally never worn that one again. Like, I bought it, didn't wear it again. It's just sat there. I've not even used the lip liner again. But this I can see myself reaching for. So yeah, completely different experiences with the two. Yes, this is definitely a win. All right, more excitingly, let's get on to the eyeshadow. So this is the mauve palette. In the last video, I literally copied the artwork, like this eyeshadow look. I don't think I'm gonna do this for this one. I wanna look at the shades and feel inspired. Outer packaging, white, and then you have like the pink writing. So I think in my last video I did say there's no way to differentiate, but I think you differentiate by the shades. So for the bronze palette, it's exactly the same, but the font coloring is in bronze, and then this one's in pink. So I feel like that's how they've done it to differentiate between the two palettes. These are the shades. Like, tell me they're not gorgeous. Tell me that like glittery pink, oh she cute. Tell me you don't want to slap that all over your lid, because I do, and I am going to. Yes, I'm ready to play. I kind of know the formulation already. I actually really enjoy the formulation of the other one, so I'm assuming I'm gonna like this one too. And you know what, these tones are really pretty. Like, I would use these all the time, and they're kind of cool, like cool tones, like mauve cool tones. So yes to that. I'm gonna remove my eye makeup that I've got going on right now. I'm just gonna conceal and then we can get on with it. Right, okay, so my concealer is on now and we are going to play with this palette. Right, so I think the first shade I want to go into is this cool toned one right here called 90s Vibe. Come on, I love a 90s vibe. I live for it. I've done a video on the best 90s look if you want to check it out on my channel. Like, if you love a 90s look, I've got the best look on my channel. I literally uploaded a video not too long ago. Check it out. And I remember them being quite like pigmented. Oh my god, I love this color. I love it. I love this color. I'm just going to kind of just create like a wing and then just use it as a transition. I literally have no idea what I'm gonna be doing with this eye look, but I'm just literally playing. I love this shade. It's so nice. It's like really soft, but then like pigmented enough. Okay, I quite like that. I think obviously we just gotta do it. Gotta go into the shade called Mauve Me, which is like this mauve color. So me and Akil, we've been working on this house now. We've just been like detailing the bathroom. We've been basically just stripping it down to its bare bones. We have had the best time doing that. I'm not even joking. We have been loving it. I feel like we've bonded so much by just doing like housework together. And it felt like what's it called, those like rage rooms. We were just like there smashing shit with hammers. It's been the best. Like, honestly, like house stuff, house rentals, live for it. I'm stripping the wallpaper in the house at the moment, and well, I've been loving that too. I've just been like, got my speakers on, got good music, like a good playlist is all you need. Just there at it. I will tell you though, it's exhausting. Like, I have been working on this house since we got it, so I've been working on it for like 3-4 days now straight. Every day it's like physically demanding, and the exhaustion you feel, it's on a different level. Like, I thought doing a killer workout at the gym was bad. This is like on a different level. You definitely do not need the gym if you're doing like housework, because I swear it's far more intense. Okay, so we got like a little mauve moment. I feel like I want to go like inside as well, like the inner eye, and just add a little touch of mauve here, like so. That looks really good actually. It's a little bit different for me. I guess it's like kind of doing like a halo eye, but no. Okay, I love that. Then like I feel like I'm just so desperate to put some shimmer on my eyes, so I'm putting Oh She Cute, the pink one, this one right here. I'm gonna pop it all over the middle of the lid. So let's do that. Is it me or is that not packing a punch? So I'm like, hello, where are you? Like I'm adding it above the lid as well, just like in a T shape kind of almost, just because when I open my eye, a lot of that shimmer is going to be hidden. If I put a little bit here, like you still kind of get the shimmer coming through. I guess it's just shimmer positioning based on your eye shape, and for me I feel like this is what's most flattering. Okay, it's a little bit crumbly, I won't lie. I'm getting a lot of fallout and the pink isn't really coming through. I'm gonna try with my finger. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it's a little bit better. I mean, it's pretty. It is pretty. It is very, very like golden though. Like it's more golden than pink, I would say. Life is honestly awesome right now. I cannot complain. Like it's so good. I'm going to Dubai next month. Like I'm excited for life again. I feel like I had a hard time for the past 2 years. Honestly, I had the hardest time. But I feel like it's finally picking up again. You know, in life, I feel like you do get seasons where when it rains, it pours. But not to be cliche or anything. But I feel like the clouds are disappearing in my life and it's sun shining again. It's ironic because it's winter in the UK, but I just feel like, I feel happy again. And it just sounds a bit ridiculous, like, were you not happy at all? You know, I've been happy, definitely. I've had amazing moments in the past 2 years, but just the overall hardship of it, it takes over. And I'm just so glad that that's over now. And I have my own space and I have no one guilt tripping me to live a life I don't want to live. And it feels good. First, I'm going to take Mauve Me, which is this shade, and then I'm going to take this shade, which is called Burgundy Baby, and I'm just going to smoke it out. And then I'm going to take Glowing Through It, which is this like gold shade, and I'm going to pop that in the inner corners of the eyes and under the brow bone. So we always need a little bit of shimmer everywhere. Okay, that's a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was actually going to be quite golden. I thought it would like stick out a lot, but it's actually not that bad. Let's see what it's like in the inner corner. Okay, it looks a little bit more gold there for sure. I feel like just because it has a bit more like of a light shimmer, like I might add a little bit here. I might go in with my finger. I'm gonna add just a dot of that on top. It is a bit more like silvery, so I feel like it might make it a little bit more like champagne-y. Okay, I quite like that. I'm just gonna wipe away all the fallout because there's a lot. It's like everywhere. Okay guys, so this is my completed look using the Kylie Cosmetics Mauve palette and also using the Valentine's Lip Kit. I actually really like this makeup. What I am gonna note is that my lips do feel dry. I feel like if I wore a lip balm underneath, it would be perfect, or if I wore a lip gloss on top. I do feel like your lips need hydration with this formulation. It is just a tad bit drying. That being said, I don't see this transferring anywhere. I see this lasting all day, all night, literally just not coming off. But the eyeshadow is actually really lovely. I think in terms of like the formulation of it, I find the shimmers a little bit crumbly. The mattes are nice, but they're not like uber pigmented. Basically, it's nothing groundbreaking, but it is nice. Like, these are kind of foolproof. They're soft enough that if you're a beginner, you know, you could correct that mistake very quickly. They don't really get patchy or anything. It's a nice set of shadows, I won't lie. The colors are really pretty. I feel like this would be perfect for like every day. This is a good day to night palette. Like, you could do a lot of looks with this. Obviously, I am just a sucker for pinks and glitter, so this is basically what I've ended up with. So I'm just gonna carry on with a full face of makeup, stripping the wallpaper of my house. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, make sure you subscribe, because it honestly means the most. Even when I see like one more subscriber, I'm like, oh. Make sure you give it a like. Put the notification bell on so you don't miss any of my videos or even my YouTube shorts, because I do a lot of them now. And I'll see you guys on my next one.